turn the air off. Hopefully now it's less echoey because I actually have furniture now. I'm on my couch. It's orange. I have plants hanging up there, a fake plant here, other fake plants there. I'm gonna have a mixture of the two in my apartment. I have this wig review from Mslynn hair. They sent me this little box right here. And it came with a bunch of stuff. So it basically came with a little package. It came with, I guess, their logo and just something to kind of like make sure that you lay your baby hairs down with. It came with this. And it's crazy, you guys. They also sent me a hot comb. It's not the same one that I used in the video because I'm probably gonna save it for someone else, but like, if they give this to everyone, I think that that's amazing because honestly, everyone should use a hot comb when it comes to laying down your unit. You saw at the beginning of this video that I went ahead and laid it down with a hot comb because I always do that, because even if you take off your wig and you maybe lay it down one day, the next day it's gonna kind of lift up again. So every single time, if you want to have that laid, look, I'm telling you, please make sure that you lay it down with a hot comb because it makes a huge difference. Yeah, it literally makes such a huge difference. Like, also, like, some of my looking shiny here, so I just changed that a bit. But honestly, like, the lace doesn't look bad. Now, this is not an undetectable lace, but the grade of this lace is really good because it's really, really thin. So I didn't even have to put any lace tint on this. I just put a little bit of powder and the got to be glued, and it just like kind of was still able to blend into my skin tone, which is cool without having to use any lace tint at all. But obviously if you use a lace tint, it's going to have the best effect. But I wanted to kind of test this lace and see how good it was, and it's really, really good. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to kind of leave it in its kinky state. It comes in waves, but I brushed it out. It's super soft. Like, look at how soft everything is here. I'm actually going to put some hair gel on this, maybe towards the end, and show you guys how this looks. But I really like the kinky look. I'm gonna kind of just put two strands in the front, and then, yeah. You know me, this is kind of like how I like to wear my wigs and stuff like this. This is just super cute, but they also sent me lashes. And ooh, this really nice, like, this is a nice looking edge control brush. Yeah, here it is. This is like super nice. Usually they don't look like this. And it has like one side, I mean, I guess both sides you can use for the baby hairs, but like this is rubber on this side, so it's more hard, and this is just kind of like brushes everything out. So this is cool. Like this a lot. Oh, also it comes with an elastic band. This is a lot thicker. I prefer mine to be a little bit thinner, but at least they have this in here. They literally make it so that you're prepared to, you know, customize your units, which is great. Like, everything that you need is in here, also including wig caps. So that's really nice. You know, thank you to Mslynn Hair for sending all this stuff. It's needed. So let's go into the specs of how much this unit actually costs. The back is looking super thick. It looks really good. Okay, so this is their Water Wave 360 lace wig. It is 150% for the density. Honestly, you know, this is, for me, this is the perfect density for a wig like this. I don't like my wig super thick. This has a lot of body to it, but it doesn't feel heavy for the summertime, if that makes sense. So you're not getting a bunch of unwanted strands on your head. Okay, so yeah, 22 inches. Let's get into the cost of the wig, because that's really important too. 22 inches. I'm just gonna put Brazilian just because. So it says the only option is 180%. The price of this wig is gonna be $308.03. That's a pretty cheap unit. Well, for how much length you're getting and for also the grade of the lace, which I feel like this lace honestly is pretty nice for what you're getting, because I was able to do a lot with this and I didn't even have to use a lace tint. So again, really good lace. So $308.03 is the price of this unit. This is how it's looking. Kind of hits me like right at my waist. It's very, very long. There's a lot of hair going on here too, which is nice. It's super pretty. This unit is so nice. Yeah, like the highlights I feel like are also really nice too. It goes all throughout the hair, as you can see here. And also, one thing that I like about this unit, I kind of plucked it as well, but it lays down extremely flat. Like this wig is very much laid. Like it looks like it's coming from my scalp because of how flat this is. I like the top parts of my units to be as flat as possible, and this is giving me that. Even though it's like it has a curlier, wavy hair texture, or just honestly has a body to it, it still is able to lay flat at the top. So a lot of wigs, when they have higher densities, for some reason they put so much at the top and then the rest of the tracks are just kind of there. But there are other companies that make sure that they don't put too much when it comes to the actual lace portion of the wig, because that's just important. I think that when companies put too much hair there, it's just really hard to lay down, and there's like more plucking involved, and it just takes a lot longer to customize. So this didn't take me that much work. So if you're used to it like myself, it's not hard. But for someone that's more experienced, this would be like an easy fix. If you're a beginner, I can't really say, but you kind of have to keep practicing yourself and see how it looks as you go along as far as the plucking goes and stuff like that. Because, you know, it can take a little bit of practice in the beginning. I'm still getting used to it. There are people that I know that are like crazy good, but I hope to one day kind of get to that point where I don't have to really work as hard. So, but this is one of those times because this was easy to work with. And yeah, like again, this is a close-up of the lace. It's not even an HG lace, but it's kind of looking like it. And I have to say, that's nice. Yeah, I think that's all that I really have to say about this wig from Mslynn Hair. I showed you guys everything that they sent me and also how I installed the unit itself. And I feel like I'm gonna go ahead now and just take some intro shots for you guys and get to editing this because it's a work night and it's already 10 o'clock. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope that you guys like this unit. Again, this is how the wig is looking. It's a 22-inch water wave unit. Oh, I guess I'll go ahead and like define it on camera for you guys really quick and see how that looks. And then I will just put a little bit of my hair mousse. This adds a little bit more of like a wavy texture to it, which it brings out. Yeah, it's super cute. Like look at how that's looking. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. I promise I'm coming out with vlogs. I'm just trying to make sure that my apartment gets furnished so I can actually make vlogs and videos in here, but it's coming together. I have a couch now, I have a large mirror that I wanted, I have these little cute like side table things, so I just need like a coffee table, a TV stand, TV, more shelves, stuff that I can put everywhere that's gonna make it feel like home for me. So yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Be sure to go ahead and click the link down below to this unit if you want to go ahead and purchase it from Mslynn, and follow their direct links and everything because they might have some sales going on, who knows. All right, bye guys.